A Dodger would be great. We got the poles mounted, but we couldn't get the fabric sorted out just yet, and we're on our way into Halifax.
Just being a dick. Go ahead. There you go. That's better. A little bit more.
Look at the protection it gives.
There, that's better.
Perfect.
A little bit back, yeah. It's great.
Shelter.
Ah, it's like we're in the Bahamas.
Yes. It's windy today, 15 to 20 knots.
Motor.
Now it's a race, but they might be cheating.
We can cheat too.
So it's a pretty nice day for a sail out in the blue yonder. There's 1.1 meter of swell, which kind of equates to not much. And it's quite nice for a first sail. It's like that moment in Waterworld where he puts up all his sails and takes off. We just went on a beam reach, and they're still going downwind. So the race into Halifax is going well. Our competitors still seem like they're quite a ways back. I'm pretty sure we put distance on them. Yeah, we definitely put distance on them. Well, it got super windy and we reefed. We're getting like gusts up to 35 or more knots. And our race is, well, he passed us because we were reefing and trying to get shit figured out, and then he's right there now, so we're at dead even. He was just pulling in some sails, but we're making good time mostly. I think they're motoring now. Can't quite tell. Sounds like it. Race of the dinghy draggers. Alright, so today we're cleaning out the boat, like taking everything out, and we're gonna hose the whole boat down. Because we've never done that before, because we've never had a hose. This is some fancy shit right here.
Are you gonna rinse it out and then put bleach and then rinse it out again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now I'm cleaning out the coolant.
Oh, okay.
This is some fancy shit. A little water. It's going in there. The boat's all tidied up and ready to get scrubbed. There's an echo in here now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I don't think we ever scrubbed the boat like this before. Like a full deep clean. Like
No, because you couldn't do a deep clean.
yeah, so that's good. Ew.
Ew.
Gross. Alright, so the boat's pretty tidy now. Not bad. I don't know how to tell the difference, but there's some teak oil. And we still have to put all this junk back in. Still have to put all that junk back in. And we're emptying the water tanks right now. We had a bleach solution in there to get rid of any water tastes, and so Now we're just draining the whole system and then gonna refill it. It's great when you have a hose. Alright, so we're gonna go see if that mooring that dragged, well, see if our mooring is the mooring that we think it is, because it dragged. We're gonna hope to drag it back, if it is our mooring, with our sailboat during low tide, possibly. That's the one. It used to be over there where the blue boat is, and the junk rig, we believe, in the storm, dragged it about 300 feet right beside these rocks there in this thing. Anyways, we don't know if the mooring's any good. So we came out to it today with the boat. We're told we could maybe move it with our sailboat. And this is the growth. It's a sea monster. The great sea monster. Wow.
Just keeps going.
So yeah, we're going to chop all that junk off, and then we're going to try and hook the bottom of the mooring chain as much as we can and reduce the scope and drag it. That's what we're told. We'll try it. Try anything once. I got a starfish. Aww. Oh. Bye, starfish. Boop.
Gross. This is really gross.
Starfish. Number 2. Hey, buddy. You go in the water.
Oh my gosh, there's more.
Here's where we're at. We got the main line cleated off here. Boy is hanging here. And we hope we reduce scope enough that we can drag it. That's the theory. Who knows? We'll see what happens. I'd say we're dragging.
Oh, definitely turning.
We're dragging. Seems to be working. Yeah, it's totally working. Now we just have to make sure we avoid everybody with anchors. We talked to them yesterday, but there's 2 boats anchored out. We're trying to swing wider on the backside of this guy, so we don't want to hook his anchor. Hopefully all goes well. Yeah, fingers crossed. But we are dragging a mooring. We're gonna have to get a diver to check it to make sure that there's still what's supposed to be down there. There's supposed to be, apparently, previous owner said there was 2 450-pound like steel blocks down there, like or Mordor style. They get stuck in the mud and they're good to go. So we did have to unstick it. Right now we're just dragging it along the bottom, probably making a big mess. But we're definitely making headway.
Yeah, I'd be curious to see what it looks like underneath. Does it feel like you're pulling heavy?
No. Doesn't.
What that means?
I don't know what that means. We'll find out. I mean, it really pulled the boat down at first.
First, yeah. I just wondered, yeah, like, did we... That's why I was curious what's underneath. It's like, did we bring it with us or did we leave it behind?
That's why we need to get it checked.
Yeah.
But the scope's so little, I mean, we could just be slowly dragging it along the bottom. Okay, so everybody, what do you think? Does it look like we're back in the same spot? There's the rock. We'll have to check old footage, see if it looks the same.
Yeah.
This boat's closer. This boat never existed before. Mackenzie's supposed to be between there and that other boat, so he's probably got to move anyways. But we did learn that our main buoy, the shackle or the top of it that connects to the shackle is quite thin now, so we're gonna have to get a new buoy or a new, I don't know the name of it, spindle.
Big ball?
Yeah, we'll probably get a whole new ball and everything, and then hook to that, because all the shackles and everything else looks really good, but we can't tell the bottom what the bottom stuff looked like. But well, the mooring's holding in 10 knots of wind anyways, so that's a good thing. There it is. There's our new mooring. Not new, old mooring. Back where it should be.
Snag in as much as you can.
So a few days later, we got a diver to come out. He dove down and checked out our mooring. Turns out there is only 1 block left, and it happens to be concrete. It is sucked into the mud, but we're going to end up ordering a 1,000 or 2,000 pound concrete block to add to it.